How to delete your Steam account permanently. Before you begin, keep in mind that deleting your Steam account is permanent. Your games, DLCs, purchases, and other account information cannot be transferred or recovered after the deletion process is completed. First, open the Steam app on your computer and log into your account. Click your profile name in the top right corner, then select Account Details. Find Delete My Steam Account and click it. Steam will show you information about the account deletion process. If you're sure you want to continue, click Proceed to Account Deletion. You'll then need to complete the deletion request form. Steam may ask for information to verify that you own the account, such as your original email address or phone number. After entering the required information, submit your request. Steam will review the request and place your account into a 30-day deletion period. During this time, you may be able to cancel the request by contacting Steam support. After the 30-day period, your Steam account will be permanently deleted. And that's how you can delete your Steam account permanently. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with others.